In this video today, I'm going to show you the best way to buying and selling domains and turn $100 into $3,700 in minutes flipping expert domains and make money online flipping domains. I'm also going to show you ways of how you can find these domain names, the sites that you can go on to sell them, and how much you can potentially sell them for. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, it's Clear Money, and as I just mentioned, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can flip domain names. Alright guys, as always, don't forget to click on that subscribe and bell notifications so you don't miss out any of my future videos, and give me a quick like and leave me a comment. Let me know what you saw of that video. Guys, in the description below you will find my #1 recommendation as to how I'm making money online. I urge you to click on to have a look and see what you think, and if you're interested you can do exactly what I'm doing and it will help you out. I definitely recommend it that you look into it. Let's get into this now. Right guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is this. It is phenomenal. Some of them sold in the tens of millions of dollars, but something very exciting happened. And what happened? They released something that's called top-level domain, and that top-level domain list, which means they have increased what you can actually add it to domain name. So instead of saying fitness.com, you could have something else that goes on with that, and you could have something else that goes on with that, and I will show you exactly what that is. But first, what you need to do is you need to go into Google and you need to type in Namecheap level domains. You need to scroll down here and you need to click onto till the list of available domain extensions, and what this is going to do is it is going to bring up here. This is going to bring up everything that you need to know about what domains are in terms of different things. So for example, let's say before you wanted to have club.com, you know, you can have club.app, you can have club.mobile, you can have club.mail, club.inc. so there is so many more, there is more potential now for you to create a new domain and flip that domain than you did previously, because a lot of them were taken. So the whole domain space has reopened up again for that opportunity for your service to buy a domain, flip it, or buy a domain and actually hold it. So there's a lot more opportunity for everyone to make money, and I want to show you something that's really exciting. So depending on what niche you are actually in, if you have a look here, these are just the popular domain names, but what I urge you to do is depending on what you are in. So let's say you are in cars, for example, so you just click on cars. That's going to open up. It is going to open up a lot more of these top level domain lists that you can use. So let's say you are in, for example, my cars, and you scroll down and you see my cars, for example. So for example, let's say you wanted to create something, try my cars. So what you will do is you go to domain name search, and in here you will have a look to see if it is available or not. It is actually not available. It is registered in 1197. So you try another. So for example, my course, it is available. My course.edu, and as you can see, it is actually available. And what I want to show you, what's actually very interesting, is this costs $2,000 a year. Now, in terms of what we are trying to achieve here, that's not cheap. We can find domain names for as little as $1 or $2 or $3. But I want to show you something. For example, so if you have a look at try, for example, SquareMoney.net, that's for $10 a year that you can actually buy. So if you are into education or home or cars or anything else, I mean that's something that you can do, and the domain name is available. What I want to show you is Namecheap is one of those sites where you can go on to buy domain names, but there is another site that you can go on that's a little bit cheaper, where you can buy and sell domain names, and it is I love to flip domain names here because it is just cheaper. So if you go here and put try my SquareMoney.co, for example, on this and go search, now if you look, it is £13. It is a little bit cheaper maybe. I mean, this is just one example. Now if we go back, I mean the opportunities are endless, as you can see, for flipping domains or domain flipping. I mean there is so many different things, like let's say if you are into money and finance or real estate, if there is sports, should be a pretty good one. I mean into sport, if you are into fitness, if you are into anything else. So I mean if you wanted to, let's try a domain search. So whatever your blog was about, let's say yours was basketballfinishers.com. Let's have a look. I mean basketballfinishers.com is a very good chance. So if we have a look here, it is at $8 a year. Basketballfinishers.com is a very good chance. So if you copy and paste on RAG, and if we come here, we'll see what it will be worth. Very interesting to see, because generally here it is a little bit higher, scopeofinsurance.com, but it is just gives you an idea that the opportunity definitely opened up for flipping domains. And if you want to make a little bit of money on the side, I'm going to show you exactly now where you need to go to make this kind of money. So if you have a look here, basketballinsurance.com, it is $4 on the right, and on Namecheap it is $8. So it is just another option for yourselves to find something where it is a little bit cheaper. Okay, now there are a couple of other sites where you can go to sell your domain. So you go to Namecheap, you register, or you go into 123-reg.co.uk, so you can register the domains there. So what either one of these two sites, you go there, register the domain, and then what you can do is you can actually sell these domains. You can sell them on domain as well, you can sell them there, but you can also sell them on GoDaddy. They sell domains here as well. It is a fantastic site to check out. You can also buy domains here as well, but it is a pretty good site to go on and actually sell domains, and people are charging a lot of money for some of these domains. If you have a look here, if you go on to Flippa.com, Flippa.com is also another one of those sites where you can go to flip domains, and you can see here that there are some people like ShareAirFare.net. This domain previously sold for $1,000, 24 years old domain, along with the STO value $2,000, $7,000 monthly. So as you can see, there is endless amount of opportunity, but for yourselves, if you are creating a single domain, you get it on here and you just flip that domain, sell it for $200. It doesn't hardly cost anything to set it up. Sell it for sell it for your 200 plus whatever the cost was for you to hold it for. It will definitely sell. You just got to make sure that it is, don't make it too long, make sure it is catchy, make sure that it is relevant to whatever you are trying to do, and you can definitely make money doing this. There are people making a lot of money doing this stuff. The other interesting thing as well that I wanted to show you on GoDaddy, there is a site where you can go, and what you can actually do is you type in the domain name that you are trying to set up, and it will actually tell you what they think it could potentially be worth, so to ask your money. So if we go search domain, this will tell us exactly what this could potentially sell for. It will give us a rough estimate of what it would be worth here for $15 for the first year with a 2-year registration. It is a few of money, I think. So it is just another idea that you have now, another site where you can actually go to flip domains or sell your domains. Is Siri.com the best domains for the freest of ideas? So it is just another option where you can go to sell your domains. And as you can see, it is very easy to create a domain name. Just grab pen and paper, come up with a few ideas. I recommended you find ones that are only worth a couple of dollars, because then you can buy so many of them. And then there is so many different dots, whatever you want to use. So there is .xyz, there is .log, there is all these other ones that you can come up. .app is always another one. So I recommended you come up with a list of them, go through, have a look, and start registering once for as little as $1, and let them or put them up on Flippa.com, put them up on GoDaddy.com and advertise them for sale. You can't go wrong. I mean, there is absolutely no reason why you couldn't sell them domain names. So the next thing I wanted to show you guys is flipping domains. If I go into this site here now, this is expertdomains.net, and what this is a site where you can go to find domains that are actually expiring, where you could potentially buy a domain name that's just set to expire. And if these companies do not register these domain names, then what will actually happen is they will come onto the open market and they will be for sale, and you could potentially pick up a really good domain name. So if you're going to get into this niche of flipping domain names, I definitely recommend you get on expertdomains.net and have a look at this. I want to show you something. If you have a look, this is set to expire. Have a look at this. I want to show you something. So we all know Lawton Law, and if you have a look, this is set to expire on the 16/5. And I mean, I think it is a very good site, to be honest. and if that comes available, why not pick that up and then just advertise it for sale? The person that had the site might ring you and buy it from you and say, I need that site, how much do you want for it? It actually goes with my business, so it is definitely something that I recommended that you look into and have in your arsenal of domain flipping. So definitely check out this site, and there is so many domains that are actually coming up for sale because they are going to expire and these guys aren't going to do anything about it. Okay, so the next thing I promise I will show you at the start of the video was how much some of these domain names or domains are actually selling version. Some of them have actually flipped full, so I will show you that quickly. Now, if you have a lucky, I have just on to GoDaddy. It is an article, and these are 25 of the most expensive domain names publicly reversed to have been sold, and you get lucky. So carinsurance.com, $50 million. I mean, that's just crazy. And then you have got another one, insurance.com, Vacation Rentals. So use this, guys, have a look, use this and say, you know what, I'm going to create car insurance.app or car insurance for own blog dot whatever. And if that's your niche, if that's what you are into, have a look at it, do a little bit more research, have a look at how other people are flipping domains or making money selling domain names, and I recommended you definitely get into it. So a lot of people are making really good money doing this online, guys. As always, if you want another way of making money online, as I said at the beginning of this video, I urge you to click on that link in my description of my number one recommendation of how to make money online. I have been making money online with this. I'm making well over $300 a day, but there, if you do it, you will definitely get to that $300 a day if you stick to it and you will apply yourself. I really hope that you enjoyed my video today on how to flip domains and flipping domains. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on that subscribe and bell notifications so you don't miss out any of my future videos. Give this video a quick like and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. I really appreciate everyone's comments and I endeavor to get back to everyone. As always, thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.